What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Shaka. You already know what time it is. Back at it again with another video. Oh, hold on, I got mad metal shavings all over my... That's much better. I know you can see me a little better. Ding. Anyways, in today's video, because you know I like blabbering off a lot. In today's video, we're gonna be working on this. I think it's a 06 Civic EX behind me over here. So you know, finally, you know, I got some exhaust work coming to me from previous exhaust work that I did. So you know, I feel hyped about that. That's one thing. Second note, I'm glad it's actually this car with the R series, because the simple fact that my cousin, he has the same exact one, y'all know, Alex, he has the same exact one, and blue 4-door one, we call it Little Blue, you know what I'm saying, we call that Little Blue, but yeah, he has a 4-door one, dropped on, wow, max peating rods, coilovers, stock rims, you know, stock everything else. He's been doing little things to rice it out. Anyways, this was the next thing that I told him that he should probably go and do if he wants to have a sound to his car. So, I'm gonna go and delete the muffler and resonator on this car because that's what they want. But to start off, I'm gonna actually just do the resonator, see how he thinks or hears it, or for you guys, I should say, for the video. I'll just weld that up, put it back together, let you guys hear how that sounds, and then we can get into some more fun stuff with, you know, deleting the actual muffler here. Yeah. So we're going to be deleting the muffler. We're keeping this exhaust tip here. Yeah, I cut myself. But anyways, we're going to keep this exhaust tip. Delete the muffler. We're going to cut it right here and right back here. It's kind of funny because it broke right on the front of the flange. Like, it didn't break. Usually it like breaks like back here. Not literally on the flange, like crazy. But that's okay. He probably was like trying to two-step and all that. You know how Honda guys are. I know how Honda guys are. I'm a Honda guy myself. But yeah, that's how it has to be, you know. But we're gonna be deleting this out of our way for right now. And I also wanted to add, I know I've been like slacking with the videos, you know what I mean? It's whatever. I didn't really care about that much. I'm waiting for the car, you know, summertime to come around. See, more cars like that. So that way I can head to the meets, you know, like right after work, just go out to the Sheets or to the Sunoco's or wherever the hell the meet's going on at, you know, on a Friday or Saturday night, and, you know, just head out to that. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this, all right? So, I will be back. Brand new Lamborghini cup car. Let me stop. Anywho, I was just bumping that. But, I got the first flange, or I should say the resonator delete, done. So, I'm just gonna weld this onto that pipe over there. You know, just check out my weld, though. Oh, y'all can't really see that. Boom. You know what I'm saying? They ain't all that pretty, but that shit's solid. Yeah, I put this together. Now it's time to add that, and then I can put it onto the muffler and hear how it sounds. And then we do the muffler delete. So I'll get to that. And we're back at it. Just finished up the resonator. All welded, all nice and whatnot. Yeah, I had to add a little extra piece because that's only like 18 inches. So I had to add that just so it'll fit around there. But it was a little bigger than that pipe, but that's okay. So what you do is put the pipe on, right? Slam it so you get one side against the pipe. I'm just explaining this for whoever does weld or doesn't weld that would like to. That's how I learned, or just how to do this. Yeah, so you put the pipe around it, and the side that you feel that you will have more space to actually get this bead right here, attached to is where you want to slice the pipe at. Just halfway or wherever. I mean, I went up kind of high, but it's whatever. So that way you can tap this right here, this side of the pipe up against right here on this side, and then you'll take the top side and flatten it down from here, and then push it over this side, and then cover it, and beat it all together, and boom, solid. The only thing I don't have is a flange to go right here, but I mean, for right now, I'm not gonna worry about it. But I do need to add 2 hangers. I said flange, 2 hangers right there. But I'm gonna lower the car down and see how she sounds. I told him already if he wants it louder, you know, he can definitely do it. But it doesn't sound like he has anything inside his muffler, so I don't think it's really gonna change much. We'll see. I don't even know how that even looks, to be honest with you. I hope that's good enough. I need a freaking donut gasket that I don't think I have. That's what it is. I need a donut gasket. But let's give it a little rev. I need to find a flange. A flange donut gasket. I know I had one, because I was gonna use it on my car, but it was too small. I think it might fit on this one. But, I don't know where the hell I put it at. So that's fantastic. Well, while I look for this, and wait for the guy to get here, the owner of the Civic here, yeah, I'm gonna go look for that donut, so I'll be back. What's going on, everybody? We are back here. Finally, you see this? You see this? Yeah. Why do I always do this? Hold on. But yeah, we got the exhaust all up in here. Muffler, oh, almost dropped my phone. Muffler all deleted. Yeah, don't mind the crazy, like, you know, where the hell did that flashlight go? Oh, right over here. All right, don't mind all this crazy assness, all right? I understand. Yeah, I had to add extra pipe right here, and it kind of like got a little cornered up right there. But hey, I don't give a shit. It's gonna work though. It's gonna work. It's angled perfectly right to the back. The flange is still there. You already know. So if he ever wants to just change the muffler, he can. So we got 1 hanger on back here. I mean, it's holding it. That's all I needed to do. And then I got the 2 right up here. Yeah, looking all cross. Probably should have tacked them in the middle there, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna lower the car down and then get a sound test. So I'll be back. All right, my boy Chris right here about to go start up his car. He about to be hyped. Just hold up. Yeah. Go ahead, rev it. Yeah. You already know I got that exhaust. Woo! That shit sound like a real Honda now. I love doing exhaust works for that simple fact. That shit sound nice. He's hyped. Told you I get that hype. Oh yeah. That shit does sound pretty nice though. Shit. Nice and stiff. I'm gonna move my toolbox out the way, let him pull out. Give me a second. I'll be back. Oh yeah. That shit do sound nice. Yeah. that should look nice. Okay. Alright, bro. Oh yeah, that should sound nice. Well, as always, you know, like, subscribe, definitely comment. You know, if you ever feel like you want to throw a comment down, I don't care. You can just say what's up to me. You know, I always say that. But I always reply to my people in the comment section. So if you want to comment, like I said, I reply as quick as possible. But yeah, as I always say, y'all take it easy. Y'all have a wonderful night. I'm going to do the same. Peace, love, and engine grease, y'all. Later. Oh yeah, my man's about to go up the street and come back down. Let's listen to